EagleRidge offers expert bathroom remodeling services in Woods Cross, Utah, providing homeowners with high-quality craftsmanship and personalized solutions. Our team specializes in transforming outdated spaces into modern, functional, and stylish bathrooms that enhance both comfort and property value. For residents in Woods Cross, Utah, we offer a wide range of services, including bathtub and shower installations, vanity and sink upgrades, tile work, custom cabinetry, and advanced plumbing solutions. Whether you're looking to create a luxurious spa-like retreat or a sleek, modern bathroom, EagleRidge ensures top-tier results tailored to your needs. Our remodeling process begins with a thorough consultation to understand your vision and budget. From design and demolition to installation and final finishing touches, we manage every aspect with precision and care. Our services include full bathroom design and planning, demolition and removal of old fixtures, plumbing and electrical upgrades, tile installation for floors, walls, and showers, vanity, mirror, and lighting installation, smart technology integration and heated flooring, custom cabinetry and storage solutions, accessibility modifications for safety and convenience, final cleaning and quality inspection. A well-designed bathroom remodel not only improves daily comfort, but also increases energy efficiency and overall home value. EagleRidge ensures seamless project execution, using high-quality materials and industry best practices. Homeowners in Woods Cross, Utah can trust EagleRidge for their bathroom remodeling needs. Contact us today at 801-784-1457 for a free estimate and start your transformation.